In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious creamy bacon cheddar ranch pasta salad recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 box of cooked penne pasta, 1 cup of bacon bits, 1 cup of tomatoes, 1 cup of broccoli, 1 cup of cubed cheddar cheese, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a red onion, 3 tablespoons of ranch, and half a cup of sour cream. To the cooked pasta, we're going to add in the sour cream, ranch, garlic, oregano, and mix until completely combined. Now we're going to add in the bacon, broccoli, tomatoes, and red onions, and mix until well combined. Finally, we're going to add in the cheese and mix once again. We're going to cover our salad with plastic wrap and place in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Our pasta salad is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.